This will also be example of input output only. One side will do the input, another side it will display the output. So T head we can, not T head, head we can write, and under the head we can follow the script. We'll follow the body tag. Inside body tag, you can write call one table. Let's give caption tag also. Write H1 also. Dot value and inner text example. Write the first year, th, call name, next call td, input type equal to text, id equal to fname, one more td, their id equal to dname. So what we have to do? So first write one more tr and follow one th, button, process, call the function one. So this table we have inside 3 td are there, 1 th and 2 td. Something like this. First make HTML ready, then we'll go for the script part. Table should be aligned in center. Table should be in center and it should have cell padding 10, 12. Okay, run this file. Design is something like this. It is asking if you enter your name here and click on process, your name should appear here. Possible? When you click here, your name should appear here. See, we have made already place. You need to take the value from the F name and display under the D name. When on button click inside the function. So let me add some part, something you can try. So write a function inside the function. You have to take the value from text box. So what we will do is, if variable name equal to document dot get element by id, document dot get element by id, which id? F name. F name is pointing to input box. So you have to write f name dot value. It will go to the name variable. And from name, where you want to assign? D name. D name is pointing to TD. TD is the output tag. So for that, you have to use the inner text. Something like this. Document dot get element by id. Which id? D name dot inner text equal to name. So it will take your name from the text box and it will assign to the TD. Also example of input and output only. Input at one place, if the value displays output at another place. Working, you enter the value under the text box and whichever the value you enter here, on button click, that value will appear in the right side. So this is for one text box. Now same way we need to do for the email, we need to do for the mobile number, we need to do for the address. So let's add one more here. Okay, let me check here. So working or not? Working, let me know. So the logic is take the value from text box and display under the TD. Take the value from text box, display under the TD. So now name is happening. Try one more. TR for next year. That should be TH. Mobile. Input type equal to mobile. Type equal to number or text, anything is okay. ID equal to mobile and then here called dmobile. Dmobile. Try this second one. No need to write the other function. Already function is written. In the same function, you will add two more line. Two line is to process the input box value. Now next two line you are going to write that will process the value of mobile number. Try for the mobile number. Working.
We created a available mobile. Document get element ID to the mobile input dot I mean dot value input and down document get element ID in the text output mobile.
Okay, so same way we need to do for the email and address. Address should be text area. Try next for the email and address also. Here you show in the E is small. When you are going to right side, E is capital. Okay, so next. We got how to take the value from different place and how to display in the different place. Okay. So all right. Okay, next example we'll write data binding 5. Something related to on change. On change. Data binding 5 we have made, 6 you can write. Data binding 6.html. HTML open close. Head we can write. Script you can write. Body you can write. Now inside this, you will write align edges center. for body tag. H1 ID equal to result as 0. Result as 0. Below in one p tag you will write number 1, input type equal to number, ID equal to n1. ID equal to n1. Next, after that, number 2, ID equal to n2. And in next paragraph, multiple buttons. Next p tag or directly also you can write button call plus minus something minus okay. So this is mode replaced by a star. On click, call a function called 1. Call a function called 2, 3, and 4. Function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4. We can make through one function also, but we are writing just purposefully as a 4 function. Okay, so understood what you are going to do in this? When you click on plus button, which function will call? Function 1. It will take the n1 and n2, do the addition and display to a result. When you click on second button, minus, it will take the value of n1 and n2, and n1 minus n2, result will go to result. So this is the requirement of your page. It's like this. Here will be the suppose 10. Here will be 5. Then add. Here should come 15. Minus should be 5. Star should be 15. Mode using something. Okay. Division not. So come now. One function I'll write. Remaining you can try. var1 equal to var1 equal to var1 equal to write n1 equal to document dot get element by id. Which id? n1 dot value. You are taking the value of n1, store into the n2, take the value of n2. So n1 value will go to the n1, n2 value will go to the n2. Then you will write document dot get element by id result dot inner text equal to n1 plus n2. Try what is the output. Concatenating, but we are given type equal to number. Here we are given the type equal to number. 10 plus 5, 105. 10 plus 5, 105. So we will use here. Whenever you take the input from browser, it will come in the text format. Okay. This problem is only for the addition, not for the multiplication and division. Because plus operator will work in two ways, addition as well as concatenation. So when the value comes from the input field, it will come in the form of a string. So you can write here n1 equal to parseInt, PARSEINT, and n1. So convert the n1 into integer, and again convert the n2 also into integer, and then you can write. Then you can see. Happening now? Percent I is capital. Addition will happen 10, still no, 10, 5, coming no, 15. Parse int I capital. Next your variable name. N1 equal to parse int N1. N2 equal to parse int N2. Happen addition. Let's try remaining. Function 2, function 3, function 4. Function 2 you can write same way. What will get changed? Operator will get changed. Minus will come. Everywhere similar. Just operator will get changed. So hope you completed. Minus will come. Function 3. What is the 3? A star will come. Function 4. Function 4. Sequence. The value will be same. Input is same. According to interaction, output is different. Happening. So we got some idea on input output. Okay, let's go. Next example, something related to image. Everyone have copy paste and change. Then create next file, data binding 7. Data binding 7.html. What is not working?
I'm giving the values, but it's not displaying the results.
Show me, I'll guide you. What you have written is function one n1 dot value n2 dot value parse int n1 and then n2 document dot get n1 the id result in a text equal to n1 plus n2 function 1 id n1 save now run once. First right click inspect. Okay, now enter some value, go to the console here, console. Now enter the value there in the text box. And see any error? No error. Button click what you are calling. Which function? Button type equal to y written. Remove that button type everywhere. After that, on CLICK equal to function 1 button is close. There is script open close. Function 1 file 1 equal to var. Can you cut those two lines? N1 and N2 cut that parse into your written. Cut that two lines. Okay, now check again. Refresh once. Now also not coming. Go to the code again. They run this file in different browser. Okay, enter the value. Now come to the code again. Go to that function, keep a alert there. Alert after N1 and N2. Alert N1 plus N2. N2 save now. Run again. Please connect comments. Configuring okay, do okay first. Okay, that inner text is not working for you. What idea have it? H1. Inner text is not captured. Okay. That's the okay, so keep some photo in your JavaScript folder, data binding folder. Keep some 3-4 photos. In data binding folder, keep some photos. In data binding folder, keep some photo. In data binding folder, keep some photo. Rename as 1 2 3 4. photo kept, rename 1234. Now come to this file, HTML, then again create section, script again, body, in body again keep align center, okay, display one photo here, imgsrc 1.jpg, then height of the photo 400 maybe, width of the photo 600 maybe, ID of the photo my pic, something like this. Sequence photo is coming. Photo should come. Photo appear. Now using JavaScript, we want to change this photo as per user demand. One photo appear. Write another BR and one more BR. And inside that, display remaining 3 photos. 1, 2, 3 photo. There should be at least 2-3 photos should be there. Then it will come better. Okay. Display height 40 and width 60. And don't give any ID here. ID is not required. That is with without ID. Oh. We'll see below 4 photos should appear. Oh, but it's very small, right? 100 we can keep. And width also maybe how much? 1, it should cover the full width. So 4, okay, 150. 150 no, 140. Is like this. Okay, so 4 photo in the bottom, 1 photo on the top. 4 photo in the bottom, 1 photo on the top. Whatever the photo you click here, that photo should appear here. So what will happen in this? On click equal to call a function. Okay, get photo or get pic, and inside the pic you pass this dot src, the source of current photo where you are going to click. So this way we can call in everywhere. Function is same function. Okay, get pic. What is that get pic? Okay, get photo. Better get photo we can call. Get photo. Get photo, get photo, get photo, get photo. This dot src, whichever the photo you click, their src will get passed. SRC is nothing but the path of the photo. SRC is nothing but the path of the photo.
We can just like current source.
The source of current photo. SRC you written, no? SRC, you can write only SRC also. Will work. But this dot SRC the valid. This dot SRC will be the valid syntax. Now write a function called get photo. Inside that, okay, receive here call pick LOC, pick location, alert the pick LOC. Alert the pick LOC. Alert is coming. On button click, photo click. Whichever the photo we click, it will give the location. D drive, JavaScript, data binding 2.jpg. D drive, data binding, complete path of the photo where it is stored. Right? Complete SRC, complete source, it comes. Now you will come down and you will write here document dot get element by id, element by id, which id? My pick. Dot src equal to pick LOC. Pick LOC. So whichever the photo you click, their source your location you are sending to the function, and function that location will assign to where? My pick. My pick have a property called src. My pick have a property called src. Source is by default 1.jpg. If you click on 3.jpg will come. If you click on 4 photo.jpg will come there. As you click, immediately the photo will get changed. Changing. So it's something like this. Whichever the photo we click, source will get changed. Source will get changed. On e-commerce website, you see wherever, right? When we move the mouse on product, photo will change, right? There are also similar logic. Similar logic. Okay. Now instead of on click, you can change to on mouse enter. Event you can change on mouse enter. As soon as the mouse will touch, photo will get changed. Instead of on click, you can change as a on mouse enter. Okay, change on mouse enter. Event will be on mouse enter. As soon as the mouse will touch, photo will get changed. As soon as the mouse will touch, photo will get changed. Right? Something like this. Next example will be in the same file. Create two buttons in the beginning. One button will be called as a large, another button will be called a small. When you click on a small, change the height and width of this photo. When you click on large, change the height and width of this photo. So first you see here how you change the SRC. Document.getElement by ID, mypic.src equal to picloc. Similar way, you will write document.getElement by ID, mypic.height equal to 300 and mypic.width 300. So photo will be small. Once you click on large, then again you will write a function in that document.getElement by ID, mypic.height equal to 500 and mypic.width equal to 700. So photo will become large. Here, let's keep in p tag one button called small and one more button called large. On first button click, call a function called one. Again, call the function called 2. And then I hope you can write the size. You can change the height and width of photo. A small keep 300 by 300, large keep 500 by 700. Written. Change the height and width of. Change the height and width of which one? Those elements whose ID is mypic. Change the height and width of those elements whose ID is mypic. Change the height and width of those elements that ID is mypic. Okay, happened or not? Please share the function in chat if anyone have written. Function 1, function 2, you wanted to change the height and width of document.getElement by ID, mypic.height equal to 300, document.getElement by ID, mypic.width equal to share function in chat, anyone who can send.
It's happening for only one image.
For first one.
Small.
I have asked to change the height and width of which photo? Those photo whose ID is my pic. Not able to write one function? Go to company, then it comes to know. What is the problem to write this line? I have spoke many times, height you are SRC you are changing. Similar way, change the width. See, this is called as begun, correct? When I click a small happen, go to any photo, will come in a small only. Function 2, height as a 500, width as a 700. Check once. This is not only no height and width you need to change. Right? Okay. देखिए एक मिनट आता हूँ. Any doubts? Ask the app लगा होगा उधर एक Okay, now come to the next button. When you click on a small, okay, when you click on this button, a small, you already click on a small. Why a small is active? After clicking on a small should become disabled. Then which one should be enabled? Large. When we click on large should become disabled. So for that purpose again, we have to give one ID to button also. Write ID equal to B1 and ID equal to, no B1, ID equal to BSM. BSM ID equal to BLG. So that will identify what you are doing. Whether button small you are making something or button LG you are making something. BSM and BLG. Now, when you click on first button, what will call? Function 1 will call. In function 1, the BSM should become disabled. So document.getElement by ID BSM dot disabled equal to true. Disable equal to true and BLG dot disable equal to false. So BSM disable true. So a small button will be disabled and BLG button large disable will be false. Means it will be as a enable. It will be as a enable. Similar way, you need to reverse it. Write the second one. Reverse it. Go in the second button. In the second function, the BSM will be true or false? False. False. And BLG will be true. So user want also they cannot click. Else our habit is click and click and click. And after one click, it will say sorry. That's all. Okay. You click second, then I'll enable. Check now. It's like this. Disable. Disable. Now next button will create. That button will change the shape of the image. Okay. Both buttons got disabled. Okay. Now create one more button called 3. Button 3. Apply CSS. Using JavaScript, how can you apply the CSS? We want to make the photo as a circle. So in CSS, we have a property called border radius. Remember border radius property? We have a property called border radius. Using border radius property, we can change the shape. We can make as a circle. How it will be? Let's go to the JS. Write the function 3. Where 3 equal to my peak dot. What we want to apply? Border radius. Border radius is not property of HTML. See here, we have written the height and width we have written. Why? Because this property exists under the HTML. Here, height and width is there. So JavaScript was able to handle. Now in HTML for IMG tag, there is no property called border radius. Where it is available under the CSS. So now JavaScript need to invite the CSS. And then from CSS, take the property and apply for which one? My peak. So using JavaScript, how to call the CSS? So particular element dot style. So what will happen? Entire CSS will call here. Style dot. From a style, which property you want to call? Border underscore hyphen radius or underscore radius. It is JavaScript. Okay. So border is one word and radius is another word. So border radius R will be capital. Border radius equal to how much? 50%. Then all it will become as a circle. Border radius, it should work. Border radius should work. Working. So what happened? Border radius came from where? CSS. Okay. So in case in HTML, if any property is not exist and you want to apply from JavaScript, and JavaScript can call the CSS and take the property from CSS and apply to the HTML. So border radius equal to how much? 50%. So what will happen is, whichever the footer we have, CSS, now next photo will come in the same shape. Next photo will come in the same shape. Working? Yes, sir. Okay. Next, after that, we need to do one small homework. I'll design here. You can try it home. Okay. Homework is something like this. Homework is something like this. One text box and one button here. Okay. Suppose under the text box you enter call Bangalore. You enter as a Bangalore and click on go button. Go button. Below it should display Bangalore should display, that is okay only. Hyphen, how many characters? 9. Bangalore hyphen 9. The value plus length. Okay. Value plus length. Next, another example. This becomes a one homework. Another homework is right side I'll design. This is the first homework. And this is the second homework. In second homework, some HTML and some CSS and some JavaScript, all three work. You have one section in the left side and one section in the right side. Okay. In the left side, you have some photo in the circle shape. Photo will be in the circle shape. N number of photo you display, your wish. Now, whichever the photo you click, that photo should appear in the right side, not full. Something like this. You can see photo have little radius. Here there is a full radius 50%, but right side there is a less radius. Okay. So this two homework we have. This is the photo in the left side, circle shape. When you click on anyone or move the mouse enter, that should come to where? Right side. Work is already done. CSS you need to align. Okay. We have done no already. Now what we need to do? CSS we need to apply. There should be block in the left and one block in the right. Move the mouse in the left. Photo should appear in the right. Okay. JavaScript, HTML, CSS all three work, and this is especially for JavaScript. Okay. After tomorrow class, we'll get some more difficult assignment related to loop and something. Okay. Try this. Okay, so hope you have taken the photo. See you tomorrow.